Okay, so this is what we did. We pulled the exhaust, found out that the cat was completely disintegrated, melted, and created blockage. So, anyway, started up. Actually, there's a hole in the exhaust right now, and that's why you'll hear hissing. But when you start it up, it runs fine. Haven't reset the check engine light yet, but it accelerates fine. You see no hesitations. You'll hear the hissing under the car. It's basically just bypassing, but it wasn't any sensors, it wasn't the math, it wasn't the cam position, it wasn't the crank sensor. Like I told the mechanics, it was the catalytic converter. Because it has the same symptoms as the BMWs, the E38s. So when you accelerate, you got the misfire. Because when I was driving this, I was able to get it to 80 miles per hour. And obviously, when I continuously drove the car, it continued to plug up that cap. And that's why it only got up to 15 miles per hour the other night, and wouldn't accelerate past 2,000 to 2,500 without the check engine light flashing. So now we got to get another cat, and they say it was going to be $700, but I'm going to call my people and source me a cat, probably just the yards, the people that we know, and just throw in a cat, probably $200 or so for a week. Pulled off a wrecked car. Technically, they're not supposed to sell it in California because it's considered hazardous material, but yeah, right. Alrighty then. There you have it. Okay, so I'm driving the car and it actually drives fine, except that got the hissing sound. Oh, that's fine. Gotta put it in sport mode. There we go. Sound is annoying, but at least we know the car drives fine now. We just have to throw in another cat. Check engine light's still flashing because all we did is just pierce the exhaust, actually, and so let's reset it, and by that, turning off the key and restarting. Annoying. You gotta back it in over there. Ugh. How we do this? How we do this?
Perfecto.
And there you have it. Catalytic converter.